Hi engineers. Thank you for clicking the join button. We are thrilled to let you know that our membership features on our YouTube channel have been activated. You can now join and support our channel to inspire us to keep it going and to continue spreading the practical applications of structural engineering. As a member, you will be charged for a monthly cancel anytime subscription fee to support our channel all the way. Membership starts at less than $1. In return, you will receive the following special perks and privileges listed below. A loyalty badge and images next to your name and comments, 24-hour early access to upcoming videos, a support credit showing your name at the end of our video, and a lot more. What are you waiting for? Come on, let's join and support this channel. Cheers.